my name is Jeff and welcome to Sleeker Digital. Ever feel like your WooCommerce variable product page is less shop till you drop and more drop-down despair? You know, where customers have to click and click and click again just to buy a few different sizes or colors? Yeah, we've been there. Well, what if I told you there's a way to ditch that clunky process and turn those endless drop-downs into a sleek, intuitive grid? Say hello to WooCommerce Bulk Variations. This powerful plugin transforms how customers interact with your variable products. So, what are WooCommerce Bulk Variations? Simply put, it displays all your product options. Think sizes, colors, materials, in a super clear table or grid format. Customers can see everything at a glance, compare prices, check stock, and add multiple variations to their cart simultaneously. Talk about a time saver. The benefits? Oh, they're huge. For you, the merchant, it means a smoother user experience, potentially higher conversion rates, especially for bulk buyers, and happier customers who aren't wrestling with drop-downs. For your customers, lightning-fast ordering and zero confusion. It's a win-win. Over the next 5 short videos, we're going to become bulk variation masters. In this first lesson, we'll dive deeper into what makes this plugin tick. We'll cover the key benefits in more detail, and I'll show you exactly where to find the plugin's settings. Just head to WooCommerce Settings Products Bulk Variations. We'll take a tour through the global options, controlling when the grid appears, what info it shows, image settings, and even how to handle those sticky headers for a smooth scroll. Ready to transform your variable product pages from frustrating to fantastic? Let's get started and explore those global settings.